Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be recording. This is going to be a multiple part series, but I'm going to be rebuilding all of Fret Paradise in the map code, which is right up here. It's Mine and Icy's Community World. We used to promote it, then we stopped. There's this as well, so you can see that. But if you're gonna make a video, just at me in it, and I'll look at it and make sure to put your Oculus name so he can add you, and then we'll give you stuff for a little. Gotta beat it in 45. I'm gonna change the time because we're going to build a new map. So let's do that. By the way, if this is the most high quality YouTube video in a while, that is because I'm using my mobile app again. Okay. So you gotta find a spot. This one to this to consistently. We need to just like throw it downwards. I feel like that's good. Okay, let's build up. Oh yeah, I forgot to put my music back on because I'm goofy. If I sing a little, it's because I'm listening to good music. That's what I do in good music. Sorry. Okay. So I need to think of more game modes. Actually, I think I'll do a drone. Oh yeah, I kept these for the race. If you want to play it and you couldn't read the thing, you can pause it, or I'll put a the pinned comment will also be the name of it. So this area, I don't know what it's gonna be. Probably a long jump, because this I'm going to remove. This is all gonna be gone. But I'm probably gonna speed the part up. So, editor me, cue the speed up. Don't be so fast. Yes. Try to like eat all the blocks. So there's the roof. Now I gotta do the rest of it. Oh yeah, if you didn't notice, I got the pack which got me 10k butt coins, which I bought a lot of circuit wiring stuff. That is going to help this video. The wiring parts are probably going to be boring. I kind of want to do wiring tutorials because I know how to do nuke buttons. I know how to do all that stuff. So if you would like a tutorial for that, I'm gonna make one like probably after this. Why did I do that to the walls here, bro? Alright, speed up again. So I'm gonna fix the ground. Being lag. More than a bag. Like an adult. Oh my god, it feels so good to have my basement going. Okay, now it is time to repaint. So, let's get painting. I feel like the painting part's kind of satisfying. Okay, time for yellow. If you can't tell what pattern I'm doing the icy fries pattern, which is yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. Because icy's red, I'm fries from yellow, as you know. So, I'm gonna make the actual staff room extend out to here, but I'm gonna do it on my own time, not for video. This video is for building the Omnia. So I have decided for this, it's going to be a long jump. So, basically, let me get out my wood. So, you're gonna, whoa, iron arrows, right? Yeah, there. So, it's just gonna guide you to here. Other way. And there will be an arrow pointing here. Then I'm gonna build out really far, and you have to long jump it to make it to the next part. Icy did tell me to make it easier. So, I'm gonna give you this, which is a little extra little throw cell for it. It's time to grab. Actually, I feel like just the longest piece of wood. Like, I think I could do another half. This, we're going to use one of these teleporters, and we're going to make it a black teleporter. And black teleporter exit. So, then we're going to build here. So I was actually just on a call with Icy. He said he had to get off, and I said, I'm about to rebuild all this. Oh, by doing this, I'm also getting my Master Builder achievement, which I forgot about. I need to, like, utilize white space, which I feel like is just a good utilization. Oh, yeah. We also might give staff to people that are just being nice and helpful in our community world. There's also a fantasy map, which is over that way. And then there's a dog park roleplay-ish map. Yeah, whoa. I feel like I take y'all out of drone mode. Oh yeah, this part, I'm going to say, this is saying to all the people at school, saying this isn't me. Like, this is me. So this is kind of cheating. This way is just going to be in a block. If you jump from here, it is down, so this first one's easy. Then you're here. And then let me grab copy paste. Okay. Well, that was not intended, but I did want to put y'all in first person, so y'all in first person. Oh yeah, when I'm not recording, I'm also going to do some basic stuff that you probably don't want to watch. But if you would like tutorials on any specific things that you think I can do, or I might even do some circuit. So, I'm open to any ideas, really. So, I'm also going to be doing a video on extending staff room. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make videos showing you how to do these, make these staff commands. How to do all that cool stuff. So, if you would like tutorials on anything specific like I've said multiple times, I got you. I can be, what the riz? I can be your guy. I know a lot of stuff, but I'm also not opposed to learning stuff to teach you guys, because you guys are great. Oh yeah, thank y'all for 115 subs. I didn't really want to make a video because it's kind of like a mid goal, but we are now at 118. We're 2 subs away from 120, so that's going to be our next, not really big goal. It's 2 subscribers, which I could probably get from this video. It's a high quality video. I think it's kind of good so far. Oh yeah, I also made this. It says subscribe to Fries to Fries, which is something you should do. This is just for me to press randomly when I'm playing this. And I also, so y'all know Stick Justice is for like Nostalgia Tag that I was gonna do. Well, Nostalgia Tag got shut down, and I'm no longer moderator in any game. So I'm gonna use this world. So y'all can come join up. It's not really done, but it's playable. I'm just gonna show y'all what's in staff room and VIP room. It's glass, so you can really see anything that's in there, but still. There is a little secret in this map. You should see. So there's all these things in the staff room. They're here. That leads to the, so this leads to the teams room, which I have my own team. Beanie has his own team. Icy has his own team. Small team. Big team, we become big. Regen team gives you regeneration from health, not health, but coins. God! Cotton. And then this is God mode. So it's God mode, you're big, you have speed, you have regen, and you have flip on. This is invisibility. So, subscribe and join up this if you want to play and get stacked. There's Trap All God mode. There's like a secret God mode thing, and if we think you're abusing it, we'll do that. There's a nuke, and the reason that one's like that is so that we can use a detonator and do that. Look, it works, but I'm on my team, so it doesn't work. This resets the map. Keep you all to win room. Oh wait, I gotta change the color of that because then it only teleports me. Whatever. You should subscribe. That's it for this video, but you can still enjoy me and everything you've seen in this video right now in this code. So that code is always opened. We are running out of fuel. We're currently at 21 days. So if you could like hit this button or that button every day, it'd be really cool. You don't have to hit this button every day, just this one every day. We were at like 60, but then me and Icy stopped playing Heaps as much. So We're not playing Yeeps yet, so I thank y'all for over 100 subs in 3 months. That is insane for me to think about. I love you guys and have a good day. Eat some fries too.